ChatGPT has added an option to pin chats for easy access. Want to try this out for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to pin chats in the ChatGPT app. Now let's get started. To pin chats in ChatGPT, first ensure you've updated the ChatGPT app to the newest available version. Then open ChatGPT and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down in the sidebar menu to find a chat you want to pin. Then hold down the chat name. In the pop-up menu, tap Pin. You can have up to 3 chats pinned at one time. If you want, you can also rename these chats. That's all it takes to pin chats in ChatGPT. Want to learn more about using ChatGPT? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.